Hello everyone. In today's lecture we are going to start chapter number 5 is necrosis. In previous lecture we finished the topic retrogressive changes, but the necrosis is also retrogressive changes, but it is a separate chapter. And necrosis, in today's lecture we are going to discuss definition and causes of necrosis. Definition of necrosis. Necrosis is defined as rapid pathological death of cell in the midst of the living cell or tissue. Necrosis means pathological death of cell in the midst of living cell or tissue. In this definition, three main words are rapid, pathological, and in the midst of the living cell. Because if the cell death occur, collapse the many functions, because cell perform many important function like maintenance of permeability of cell membrane, water electrolyte balance, then aerobic respiration and production of ATP, main function of mitochondria, then protein synthesis, preservation of integrity of the genetic appearance of cell. Cell performs many important function. But why the three main words are important? Because the cell death, apoptosis and necrosis, in both cases cell death occur, but necrosis is different than the apoptosis. In apoptosis is described as an active program process of autonomous cellular disseminating that avoid electing inflammation. Means it is a apoptosis, it is a natural or physiological process, but the necrosis has been characterized as a passive accidental cell death. Means the cell death in apoptosis is physiological and it is a autonomous cellular response, but in necrosis is a pathological process or rapid pathological death of cell in the midst of living cells or tissue due to the accidental cell death. Why rapid? Rapid cell is atrophy die due to the natural death, but the rate is very slow. Hence the word rapid is only suggesting fast rate of cellular death, which is the most important peculiarity of necrosis. Then pathological, word pathological death indicates that there is a definitive cause behind the cellular death. Normally epithelial cells of skin and old RBC die due to natural death. For them, physiological death is the term is applied to distinguish physiological death from pathological death. The word pathological death are used. In the midst means in necrosis, cell dies within living cell or tissue. Dead cells are always surrounded by living tissue due to disintegration product of dead cells. Healthy cells are stimulated and showing inflammation reaction. Then it is a definition of necrosis, and why the pathological word here used, the rapid word here used, and the midst of the living cell. These words have a deep meaning, and the necrosis is in which the cell death is occur, but in apoptosis process also cell death occurs. So the difference is most important between the necrosis and the apoptosis, and necrosis is also retrogressive change. Then causes of the necrosis, causes like external factors, internal factors. External factor includes the mechanical trauma. Mechanical trauma is an injury to any portion of the body, and the complication of mechanical trauma are usually related to fracture, hemorrhage and infection. The another cause of external cause is damage to blood vessel. If the blood vessels are damaged, the vascular trauma to the blood vessels can happen to anyone. It can be mild, moderate or severe. A penetrating injury can cause blood vessel to clot, flow of organ and extremely ultimately supply of oxygen is reduced to the cells. So ultimately if the supply of oxygen is reduced, supply of the blood is reduced, the cells will die. Then another external cause of necrosis is thermal effects. Thermal effects or thermal injury. Then it can cause DNA damage and the unheated surrounding these cells and direct heat exposure to cell causes protein degradation and DNA damage, which can lead to the genetic alteration and cell death. Then same is the chemical poison. Due to the poisoning or chemical poison, the cells cytoplasm's reaction will take place, and the normal cytoplasm are changed due to this poison, and the chemical reaction happen the reactions. The bacterial or viral poison, the bacterial endopoison or the bacterial endotoxin or the exotoxin, these are also the important factor or important cause of the necrosis. Then endotoxin are produced in the vicinity of bacteria while exotoxins are released into the blood and carried to different tissue. Hence the produce severe damage at the multiple resulting into the necrosis. Means these toxins are travel to our body with the help of blood, and there is a many adverse effect to our body. These are the external factors, or these are the causes of necrosis. Internal factors, many causes of internal factors like failure of circulation. If the circulation are disturbed, means if the any blood vessels are clot, then the normal supply to the oxygen or normal supply to the blood into the specific organ can be reduced, and if the nutritions get reduced, the cells show necrosis. Then if part of tissue or group of cells remains without blood supply, then the oxygen and nourishment for the tissue is not supplied, and hence it is a die and develop necrosis. Then bacterial toxin, I told about the toxins. Toxins are endotoxins as well as exotoxins. These are the harmful bacterial toxins, and they kill the cell's cytoplasm, and chemical reaction takes place, and reduce the normal functioning. And next cause is the activated natural killer cell. Activated natural killer cells is also one of the cause, because the activated natural killer cell also die the normal cells. The activated natural killer cells, if don't recognize the cancerous cells or normal cells, in for example in chemotherapy, in chemotherapy they acted on the specific target organ, they kill the cells in the infected cells as well as the normal cells. Because of these are the main internal factors causing necrosis. Then another cause is toxins and pathogens. Pathogens and toxins also produce the necrosis because of its harmful residues or harmful fecal matter. These toxins reacts with our body and react with cells or react with blood, and they produce the necrosis. These are the important definition of necrosis and important causes, and these are the most important. In necrosis, cell death is occur. In apoptosis is also cell death occur, but the pathological death and physiological death is different. So necrosis is defined as the rapid pathological death of the cell in the midst of living cells or tissue, due to the various factors like injury, inflammation, many causes, internal factors, external factors. These are the accidental causes cause necrosis, and in apoptosis it is a physiological process or it is a time bound process. These are the differ. So necrosis is rapid pathological death of cell in the midst of living cells or tissue. This is the definition and causes. So today I stop here. I hope you all are watching this continuous online lecture series, and these are the sequential series. Watching of sequential series is most important, because these all topics are correlated. So keep watching these all lectures. So I stop here. Thank you.